So, good afternoon, guys. This is leftovers burek with meat. Plus two burek with meat, it's not enough. So I got one bit of ham left. So I'm gonna cut up the jumbo hamburger roll and put ham inside. And then I'm gonna eat it from dinner tonight. Amke's kitchen. So right here guys, burek with meat, so it's just minced meat and onion, no garlic, just onion and minced meat. And the dough, it's made by my mom. Amke's mom's kitchen, right here, I will show ya. Okay. Looks like this. Burek with minced meat. So right here. Open the jumbo hamburger roll, like so. And then, so we got the salami. I mean the ham, Put it like this. Wow. Big dinner tonight. In this bag, trying the rabbit wing. Amke's kitchen, Amke's mom's kitchen. Leftovers from today. And ham sandwich. Thank you guys for watching. Amke's kitchen. See you later, guys.